Taking a look at Intel moving higher in the pre-market along with the SMH ETF, that's the chip ETF. What is this return of profitability for Intel? What does it say about that company and the broader chip sector?
I think Intel's return to profitability is actually Intel making up on its promises. So we have been heard, like we see the Intel returning to profitability after two straight quarters. And then I think this is the whole of its IDM strategy now actually showing the fruits which we have been listening to about from particularly from the last 3 4 quarters. And from a chipset perspective, I think this is Intel showing its advancement in nodes in terms of performance with the Meteor Lake launching on its first EUV node. So I think this is Intel keeping on its promises now.
So it's important to note when we talk about Intel shares surging, they did beat expectations, but there's still a trend of 6 quarters of revenue decline and continued weakness in their data center business. We heard from Meta, another big gainer this week. They're trying to increase their data centers, and really a lot of that business is focused on AI-powered chips. Where is Intel when it comes to AI-powered chips? What's the long-term outlook?
I think Intel's long-term outlook on AI chips is going really good. So Intel has Gaudi and Habana, which is its AI portfolio in terms of competition with the chips from Nvidia or AMD. And I think they are in the recent benchmarks, they performed really great in terms of TCO and overall performance improvements. And I think Intel's portfolio is also looking very strong when we see integrating AI into its capabilities, whether we talk about the CPUs with its next gen going with power cores and efficient cores, and then with their GPUs, which is with the launching with Flex and Max ranges. So I think Intel is really ramping up its AI portfolio in order to cater the hyperscalers better.
Right.
And as the CEO said in its earnings, they already have a $1 billion pipeline, which is majorly dominated by Gaudi 2. And Gaudi 3 is, I think, slated for next year.
You know, you're bringing up that $1 billion pipeline. That's important to note. And that sounds pretty good. But when you compare it to NVIDIA's $20 billion pipeline when it comes to AI chips, it doesn't seem as great. NVIDIA seems to kind of be the outlier. They were way ahead when it comes to AI chips. So put it in perspective for us. Obviously, 20 billion is amazing. But is 1 billion pretty good in this current environment as a lot of these chip makers are trying to catch up with NVIDIA?
I think yes, because we have to see Nvidia is right now supplying out majorly accelerators, which is the GPUs. But as the AI deployments grow, the deployments or the servers would need CPUs also, and Intel is very well positioned to take up that demand of the CPUs, which will rise again as the AI deployments kind of go into the next stage, which is inferencing or going it at the edge. So Intel is really positioned, and then there is a performance and TCO perspective also. So the TCO is very important when we talk about large scale deployments. So I think Intel is banking on that their chips are really good at giving a better TCO
All right.
in terms when we talk with Nvidia.